Hey guys, it's Allison, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prep your nails for dip. So I just soaked off a set of nails, and these are what my nails look like before I start my prep. I'm going to take my Sparkling Co cuticle softener, and I'm just going to put that all around my cuticles and then rub it in. And what this is going to do is it's going to soften my cuticle. That way I can make sure I get all that cuticle. That way I don't have any lifting issues. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my metal cuticle pusher and just push back my cuticles, make sure I get the side and everything like that. And I'm not pushing down very hard, I'm laying it flat against my nail and just pushing back with not a whole lot of pressure, just enough to get my cuticle to move, or to get that dead skin. Now I'm going to go in with my e-file and just go around my cuticle again and make sure I got everything. I'm going to go around my side wall and the bottom part of my cuticle and just make sure I don't have any dead skin on there. Now I'm going to take my file and I'm going to use the soft side and I'm just going to buff that shine off my nail. I'm not pushing down hard because I don't want to ruin my natural nail bed and thin my nails out. And I'm just going around and making sure I get every single spot, because if I leave a spot and I don't buff out my nail, it could cause a lifting issue. Now I'm going to dust the dust. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and shape my nails before I dip. That way I don't have as much filing to do and it's just easier to shape your nails beforehand. And this is what they look like after I've buffed off all the shine and shaped them. And now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my Onyx Soak Off. You can get it on Amazon or at Walmart. Super cheap, love this stuff. And what I'm doing is I just put it a little bit on a paper towel and I'm wiping it over my nails to clean my nails and dehydrate my nails. And trying to avoid that giant cut on my finger. And now my nails are prepped and ready for dip. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please come back next week. I'll have a video showing you how I dip my nails. Have a great day. Bye.